Hey, Cal, Family Handyman. The Amazon Alexa is a great addition to your home and it can make your life way easier. You can get the temperature before you step out the front door and you can ask her to play your favorite tunes when you're cooking dinner. But there are a few things you should not ask her because they're simply not worth your time. Let me demonstrate. Alexa, calculate pi for me.
The ratio of a circle's circumference divided by its diameter is a constant, and this constant is known as pi, commonly approximated to be 3.141592653589793238462. Alrighty.
Don't ask Alexa to calculate pi for you unless you like long-winded answers that make you want to fall asleep. Hey Alexa, what does a dog sound like? How about a lion? If you don't like your house filled with sounds of wildlife, do not ask Alexa what sounds animals make. Alexa, can you beatbox? Wow, that was truly fresh. Don't ask Alexa to beatbox because even if you're a huge fan of beatboxing, you will not be impressed. Alexa, can you tell me a mom joke?
Your mother's so cool. Beyonce made her a glass of lemonade.
Don't ask Alexa mom jokes because they're just as bad as dad jokes. Don't ask Alexa to laugh for you unless you want to feel slightly weirded out and regret your decision. Alexa, can you laugh for me?
Sure, I can laugh. Tee-hee.
Yes, I feel uncomfortable. So those are just a few things to not ask Alexa. She can be so much more useful. Like this. Hey Alexa, what's Family Handyman?
The Family Handyman is an American home improvement magazine.
For more smart home tips and tricks, visit us at familyhandyman.com.